A payment that shows as approve, but doesn't appear in your balance usually means it's still pending authorization or stuck in merchant processing, not that the money is gone. By the end, you'll know why Arro card payments don't post, how long they usually take, and the exact checks to fix delayed or missing transactions. First place to look is the transaction status inside the Arro app. Payments often show as pending before they fully post. That delay happens because merchants don't always finalize charges immediately. Some take a few hours, others take a couple of business days depending on their system. Next check is merchant processing delays. Even if your card approved the transaction instantly, the store still has to capture and settle the payment. If that step is delayed, your balance won't update right away. This is common with online purchases, subscriptions, and gas stations where the final amount is confirmed later. Another thing that causes confusion is temporary holds. Some merchants place a hold that looks like a charge but hasn't fully cleared. That hold can sit in your account until the final amount is adjusted or released. It can make it look like a payment is missing or duplicated when it's actually just in transition. If the payment still isn't showing after some time, refresh the app and check your transaction history instead of just the main balance. Some apps update balances slowly, but log transactions faster in the history section. You should also check for failed settlement. If a payment gets approved but fails to finalize on the merchant side, it can disappear from pending and return to your available balance. That usually happens automatically without any action from you. If none of these explain what you're seeing, the issue may be a sync delay between Arro's system and the payment network. That usually resolves on its own, but logging out and back into the app can force a refresh. If the payment still hasn't posted after a full business cycle, the next step is to contact Arro support with the transaction time, amount, and merchant name so they can trace it in the system. To summarize, delayed Arro payments usually come down to pending status, merchant processing time, or temporary holds. Most missing payments are not errors, just delays in how transactions are finalized. Your next step is to check transaction history first, then confirm the merchant hasn't placed a hold before contacting support. If this helped you understand what's going on with your payment, like the video and subscribe for more clear fixes like this.